Hello kids, a very good morning to you all. So, we are meeting after a long time. Let me ask you, how are you all? I hope that all of you are good and safe at your home. Well, ma'am is also fine here. And I would like to appreciate all those learners who are sending me their homework because your homework is beautifully done and I really like it. So, those who are not sending me their homework, kindly start sending from now onwards, okay? Because I am waiting to see your homework. So, today, what we are going to do? Today, we are not going to learn any new topics because we are going to recapitulate all the previous topics. So, this puzzle game is related with plants and sense organs and shapes. Yes. So, now I know that all of you know about these topics because we have covered all these topics in our previous videos. So, we are going to start the game now. Okay, so firstly let me explain you the rules of the game. So for this puzzle game we are going to have some slips like this, okay, and a puzzle chart, and on each of the slip a question related with sense organs and shapes is written. Okay, so what we are going to do, we will pick the slip one by one and then we will try to answer the question which is written inside the slip. Okay, after answering the question we will try to find the same answer in this chart. Okay, so I hope that all of you have understood the rules of the game. Now are you ready to play? Okay, so let's start. So kids, can you see the slips? Yes, here they are. So let's pick the first slip. Okay, here I have it in my hands. Let's try to find out what question is written there. Which sense organ helps you to smell? Can you read the question with me? Which sense organ helps you to smell? So, now tell me, which sense organ helps us to smell? Eyes? No. Tell me. Yes. Nose. Very good. Nose is the right answer. Now tell me, in this chart where is nose written? Tell me. Yes, N is here. So after N, O should be there. But I cannot see any O here. So that means nose is written somewhere else. Let's try to find out. Here, here. Oh yes, I have found it. Nose is here. So let's very good. Now let's pick up another slip and read out the question with me. This shape has no sides and no corners. Kids, remember we have read about the shapes earlier also. So, can you tell me which shape is this that has no sides and no corners? Come on, tell me. Yes, it's a circle. So let's try to find out in this chart where is circle written. Circle starts with C. Can you spot any C here? This one? Yes, C is written here, but I cannot see any I here. So that means we have to find out circle somewhere else. So this one. Yes. Kids, I've find out the answer. Circle. Very good. Okay. So, circle has no sides and no corners. Very good. Now, let's pick another slip. So, can you read the question? Which sense organ helps you to hear? So, kids, can you tell me which sense organs help you to hear? Yes, your ears. Ears help you to hear different kinds of sounds. So, let's try to find out where the ears is written. So, tell me E. Very good. A R S. Ears. Very nice. Okay, so now let's pick the next slip. Here I have picked this one. So now let's open it and try to read out the question. So, which sense organ helps you to taste? So kids, can you tell me which sense organs helps you to taste? Is it skin? No. So, which sense organ is this? Yes, it's your tongue. Very good. Let's try to find the tongue. Where is the tongue? Yes, here it is. So, Tongue. Tongue. Very good. Very nice. So, next question that we have is this. Which sense organ helps you to feel? Come on kids, tell me which sense organ helps you to feel? Do you know the answer? Of course you know, because we have read about it earlier also. So tell me, which sense organ helps you to feel? Yes, your skin. So let's try to find out in this chart where is skin. So skin start with S. So S, but I cannot see any K here. So that means we have to find out skin somewhere else. S is here as well. SKIN. Very good. So, we have found out the answer. Very nice. So, next question that we have is this. Okay, this one is related with shape. So, this shape has 3 sides and 3 corners. This shape has 3 sides and 3 corners. Can you answer this question? Of course you know the answer. Come on, tell me. Which shape has 3 sides and 3 corners? Yes, it's a triangle. Very good. You all are very intelligent. So, now we have to find out the triangle in this chart. So, tell me, where is triangle written? Here? No. T. T is here, but R is not here. That means we have to find triangle somewhere else. Oh, here I have found it. Triangle. Triangle. Very nice. Very nice, kids. And kids, tell me one more thing. Let's try to read this line again. This shape has 3 sides and 3 corners. So tell me, do you find any blend word here? Yes, very good. So which blend word is here? Yes, shape. Shape is SH blend word. Very nice. Okay, let's have our next question. So, our next question is, which sense organs help you to see? So, can you answer this question? Which sense organ helps you to see? Your eyes. Very good. So, eyes. E-Y-E-S. Yes. So, here it is. Eyes. Very nice. So, now we are going to have our last question. Okay. So, here it is. What is the shape with 4 equal sides? So, can you tell me which shape has 4 equal sides? Yes, it's a square. So, tell me, in this chart, where is square? Yes, here it is. Very nice. Kids, tell me one more thing. Which sense organ helps you to smell? In this sentence, do you find any blend word? Yes, smell. So, which blend word is this? Very good. This is SM blend word. You all are very intelligent. So kids, how was the activity? I know that all of you must have liked it. And you see, we have answered all the questions correctly. So, very nice. So, this is all for today. I will see you all in the next learning session. Till then, bye bye and take care.